Using an electric mixer, beat the sifted flour and clarified butter together until they form a dough-like consistency. Once it forms a uniform texture and becomes doughy, beat it at a medium speed until it's smooth and doesn't stick to your hands. In a separate bowl, mix the egg, vanilla extract, honey, and powdered sugar until well combined. Then, add this mixture to the flour and butter mixture and continue to beat with the electric mixer until you get a uniform and soft dough that doesn't stick to your hands. Roll out the dough between two greased parchment papers to a thickness of 3 to 4 millimeters and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Then, cut the dough into desired shapes and place them on a greased parchment paper on a baking tray. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the pastries for about 10 minutes until they change color slightly and turn golden brown. After baking and cooling for a few hours in the refrigerator, you can use your favorite jam or marmalade between two pastry pieces.